Good morning all. Myself is Satish Mahadev Karpe, working as an assistant professor in Anandbai Raurane Arts, Commerce and Science College, Vaibhavadi. Today we start in chemical thermodynamics second topic. Next point, that is variation of Gibbs free energy with temperature and pressure. In previous lecture we show the Gibbs free energy equation, Helmholtz free energy equation and functions. Now in this lecture we can study the Gibbs free energy variation with temperature and pressure. Now in that we know the Gibbs equation, Gibbs free energy equation, that is G is equal to H minus Ts. This is equation number 1. This equation can be shown in previous lecture. Now for this equation there is a small, for this equation there is infinitesimal change in each property, infinitesimal change in each property. That is, equation 1 becomes dg is equal to dh minus, in that first T constant, variation with entropy, and in second S constant, variation with temperature. Means this is equation number 2. Gibbs free energy G converted into dg, enthalpy H converted into dh. Now in that there is two terms, then first temperature constant, variation with entropy, and second entropy S constant, variation with temperature, that is TdS and SdT. Now we know also equation H, enthalpy equation. We know also enthalpy equation H is equal to U plus PV. Again this is equation number 3, and again this equation can be varies or converted, that is dH is equal to du plus P dV plus V dP. Again this is equation number 4. In that equation change is same. For Gibbs free energy change, enthalpy equation also change. H is converted to dH, internal energy U is converted into du. First pressure constant, variation with volume, that is P dV, and in second volume constant, variation with pressure, V dP. Then from first law of thermodynamics, from first law of thermodynamics, du is equal to dq plus dw, that is internal energy is also equal to dq plus dw. This is equation number 5. Then for reversible change, in closed system, for reversible change in closed system, again dq reversible is equal to tds and dw is equal to minus pdv. dw is also equal to minus pdv. Then put this value in equation number 5, that is dq is equal to tds and dw is equal to minus pdv. These two values put in equation number 5, that is du is equal to tds minus pdv. Again this is equation number 6. Again for compare equation 6 and 4, that is in equation number 4 or put the value of du in equation number 4. In equation number 4, that is dh is equal to du plus pdv plus vdp, and in equation number 6 du is equal to tds minus pdv. Means simply put the value of du in equation number 4, that is dh is equal to tds minus pdv plus pdv plus vdp. This is equation number next 7. Now dh is equal to tds minus pdv plus pdv plus vdp. Now again compare equation 7 and 2. For equation 7 and 2, equation number 2, that is dg is equal to dh minus tds minus sdt, and equation number 7 dh is equal to tds minus pdv plus vdp. Means simply put the value of dh in equation number 2. Then dg is equal to, now dg is equal to value of dh is equation number 7, that is tds minus pdv plus pdv plus vdp, and then remaining terms minus tds minus sdt, minus tds minus sdt. Now this is equation number 8, and in that equation we cancel out the terms, that is minus pdv plus pdv and plus tds minus tds. Then dg is equal to remaining terms in that vdp minus sdt, that is dg is equal to vdp minus sdt. This is equation number 9. Now variation with variation with temperature and variation with pressure. Variation with temperature. For variation with temperature, variation with temperature, variation with temperature in bracket pressure constant, pressure constant. Now at constant pressure, at constant pressure, at constant pressure dp tends to 0, dp tends to 0, that is vdp tends to 0. Now equation vdp tends to 0, then this vdp term is 0, then equation 9 becomes, equation 9 becomes dg, pressure is constant, dg at constant pressure is equal to remaining term, that is minus s dt, because vdp is 0, then remaining is there is a minus s dt. Then it also written as dg divided by dt at constant pressure is equal to minus s. This is the variation of Gibbs free energy, Gibbs free energy at constant pressure. This is equation number 10. Then second point is a variation with pressure bracket मध्ये at constant temperature, at constant temperature. Then at constant temperature, at constant temperature dt tends to 0. Temperature when temperature constant dt tends to 0, that is s dt tends to 0. Then again equation 9 becomes in equation 9 in that case s dt term is a 0. Now dg at constant temperature is equal to phi dp, that is dg at constant temperature is equal to phi dp. Now it can be also written as dg divided by dp at constant temperature is equal to phi. This is equation number 11, and this is the equation of variation of Gibbs free energy at constant with temperature and pressure. In this equation all terms are interlinked. We can revise this equation simply. First there is a simply Gibbs free energy equation, G is equal to H minus Ts. For infinitesimal change, dg is equal to dh minus tds minus sdt. Then next we know in that H takes place, then H is equal to enthalpy is also equal to U plus PV, that is dH, again variation terms, dH is equal to du, again pressure constant differentiation with volume, and second volume constant differentiation with pressure. Then from this apply the first law of thermodynamics. For apply first law of thermodynamics, apply first law of thermodynamics, du is equal to dq plus dw, and for reversible change in closed system, dq is reversible is equal to tds and dw is equal to minus pdv. Then put these two value dq and tds in equation number 5, that is du tds minus pdv. Then this equation number 6, then this du value put in equation number 4. Equation number 4, dh is equal to du plus pdv plus vdp. Then du we put the value of du is equal to tds minus pdv in equation number 4. Then next equation is dh is equal to tds minus pdv plus vdp. Now again this dh equation put in value dh value put in equation number 2, that is dg is equal to dh minus tds minus sdt. Then dh value, we know the dh value tds minus pdv plus vdp, and remaining terms minus tds minus sdt in equation number 2. Then cancel the common term and we got the final equation, dg is equal to vdp minus sdt. Now then variation with temperature at constant pressure dp terms is 0 and vdp tends to 0. Then equation 9 becomes dg at constant pressure is equal to minus sdt, and dg divided by dt at constant pressure is equal to minus s. And variation with pressure at constant temperature, dt is equal to 0, then s dt is 0. Then equation 9, dg at constant temperature is equal to vdp, dg divided by dp at constant temperature is equal to v.